welcome back to the Recipe Rookie. My name is Josh. This is the show where I learn to cook one dish at a time. Today, we're whipping up a takeout classic, beef and broccoli. But today, we're making it at home and we're gonna make it even better than a takeout restaurant. This recipe is inspired by the New York Times and features a buttery twist to give it that extra flavor. Let's cook. So what ingredients do we have today? 1/3 cup of sake, and I will be drinking this during cooking. 3 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 pound of beef, thinly sliced against the grain. 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. 1/2 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. 1/2 cup and 1 tablespoon of peanut oil. Mr. Peanut on it. 1 pound broccoli, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and a little water. Let's start with the marinade. 1 pound chuck beef.
Come on, ladies, 1 pound fish.
So we're gonna start with the marinade. I've got a bowl right here with my whisk. I have this nice thinly cut meat, but I wanna make it even thinner. Or not thinner, just cut it in half. Because no one wants to eat a whole giant piece like this. I paid $9.19 for everything you see here. I'm gonna get some gloves on. I'm starting this marinade now, so later on when everyone's home and I start to make the dish, it's ready to go. And also, another thing I'm changing on today's recipe, you would usually be using a wok to do this. I don't own a wok, and I'm not gonna buy one for one dish unless I'm really using a wok a lot. Waka. So I'm gonna use a large frying pan today. So as I cut them, I'm gonna have them in my bowl here. Do not cut my hand. Because I feel like beef and broccoli is strips like this, right? Moving right along. One. Gotta concentrate and not stop moving. This thing moves too much. I need a cutting board that doesn't move. This meat cuts very easily. Oh, that was a little close to the hands. I'm very excited for this. I'm a huge Chinese food fan, so if I can make my own Chinese food. All right, I think that looks good. Let's put this off to the side. Whoa. Let's be a little careful. Whisk together my wine. So I need 1/3 cup. Ooh, let me go get a shot glass. We gotta try this. All right. Look, there's a fancy opener. How do you? Oh, okay. Well, then I have to drink it all, right? Kampai. Is that what you say? So we're going to try this out first. Kampai, salut, cheers. Very dry. I like it colder. 1/3 cup. And a little bit more. All right, we'll put on my little makeshift top, and I will drink the rest of this tonight, I guess. 1. Ooh, cornstarch feels nice. All right, now we whisk this all together. Looks good. Now we want to cover this. Come on. Look at that. We've got this covered. I'm gonna go throw it in the refrigerator, and you're supposed to let it sit for 20 minutes. I'm probably gonna go a lot longer than that because I'm cooking later today. But so it'll just give it that extra flavor. But the recipe calls for 20 minutes. Next, we're gonna prepare the sauce while this is chilling. Let me go put this in the refrigerator and I'll be right back. Let's take another sake shot, shall we? Oh, yeah. All right. 1, 2. Okay. 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. How are you supposed? This is ridiculous. How are you supposed to get this out of here? Get out of this. Is it really 1/4 cup oyster sauce? Chili garlic sauce. That's good. I don't want it too spicy. Tablespoon of water. Water. Is that everything? Whisk this together? Yeah, let's whisk that together. Okay. We're whisking our flavor bomb. Now it says to set this aside. I forgot. I have to cut this broccoli, which I've never done before. Maybe another one. Oh, no. Pulling off little trees. Who needs a knife? Okay, I think that'll work. The broccoli has been cut. Okay, I have made the rice. Let me get the sting gloves on. I made 6 servings. It said 10 minutes. All right, let's see what we got here. Whoa. Now it says for me to keep it covered. Look in there. Keep it covered for another 5 minutes, and then we've got rice for our meal. So I'm gonna go put this over here. So what we're gonna do here, well, first, I think you all know what we need to do. We need to prepare for the cooking. Got to finish it because I don't have a top, you know, to beef and broccoli. Ooh, it's a little bit colder now. Let me show you what we have with the meat now. Look at this. So this marinated for about, what time is it now? 6:30? About an hour. Hour and a half. This is the flavor sauce. What we're going to do is we're going to take this oil, put a nice little coating down, put in the meat, then do the broccoli, then bring the beef back with the broccoli, add that special sauce, then another couple of minutes, then we're done, we put it on the rice and we eat it. Let's see if I can pull this off. First things first, we want to put in this peanut oil, half a cup. All right, half a cup. All right. It does not look like enough, but that's what it said. All right, well, you know what we need to do. All right, this feels hot. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, going in half of it. Or can I do it all at once, you think? Oh, oh my God. Ow, 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 ow. What do I... Ow, this is not good. It's getting everywhere. This is too much oil. All right, let's throw it all in. Okay, that did not happen the way I was supposed to. I don't... What is that? Oh, God. Stop. It's my fault. Stop. Oh, God. Fan. Everything's fine here. How are you? Okay. No, Bowser, it's fine. Everything's fine. No problem. I think I just... Okay, it's fine. Everything's fine. Wow, this is hard. It's like maybe a walk. I mean, there's so much oil all over the place. Okay. All right. The alarm has stopped. It's fine, buddy. It's fine. Oh, gosh. I heard you got to constantly move it. It looks like it's browning. All right. It's browning. It's browning. Okay. This is almost ready for me to put on the plate. Then we're going to take the oil out, and then we're going to put the broccoli in. Look how good it looks.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
What is that?
Steak.
That looks really good.
I told you. And then,
I will try it.
tell the camera.
I will try it.
All right, but stay away because we don't know. There's a lot of problems here. I think this is ready for step 2. I'm taking out the meat now. I'm taking it out and putting it on a plate. Stop. Everything's beeping at me. A little more oil. Not a lot. That's a little. And we're going to throw the broccoli in. There is oil, a lot of oil everywhere. Let me show you all what's going on here. Can I? Look at that. Everywhere, okay? All right, let's throw the broccoli in. About 2 minutes. Hey, Google, set a timer for 2 minutes. Maybe I do need a walk. Waka, waka, waka. Okay, we're letting this go for 2 minutes. Okay, this is working out. No chances this is going to fall out. You know what we need? Because you know this is helping. Almost done that bottle. Okay, it smells good, broccoli, though. All right, hey Google, stop timer. Now it says add a splash of water, so splash of water to steam. No, hey Google, stop talking to me. Look at this, the broccoli looks pretty good. Everything looks edible right now. I definitely made a giant mess though. This is how they make it in all the fancy Chinese restaurants. That's what I've been told. Hey Google, stop timer. Okay, we're adding back our beef. Beef is back. And then we're adding in the secret sauce. Okay. Walk and roll, baby. Walk and roll. Look at this. This looks incredible. Forgot the butter. Butter's in. Let's turn this down. Yeah. All right. Okay, it's all in. Now we're ready to play. Here we are at the tasting table. Okay, this is final product. Look at that. Beef and broccoli. Let's get some nice piece of beef. Some rice. Here we go. Is this gonna burn me? Oh my God. Who would have thought? It's actually fantastic. Even the broccoli is good. I pulled it off. Okay, let's bring in Austin and see what he thinks. Austin, it's your time.
First, I'm gonna try the rice.
Rice that I made in a microwave.
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. All right.
Okay.
Try the meat.
The meat.
There's a nice small piece right there. There you go. Or get that nice cooked one. All right, that one's fine.
You know what? Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at that.
All right, here we go.
2, 1. That's really good.
It is good, isn't it? You have dinner now. Do you want to even attempt a broccoli?
Yeah.
No? You can just try the head?
Yeah.
Try it. Well.
Pretty good, so.
No, he's not telling the truth. All right. You want to tell everyone to hit that subscribe button?
Hit that subscribe button.
All right. We're going to go eat this. Thank you.
Bye.
And there you have it. Homemade beef and broccoli, better than takeout. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what meal you'd like me to make on another episode of The Recipe Rookie. Thank you to Clay. This was a great idea. My only suggestion, maybe I need a walk. Anyway, I want to thank everyone for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on The Recipe Rookie. Let's cook. Let's put this off to the side. Whoa. Let's be a little careful. Oh no, there's an ant. Get out of here. Get away from that. No. No, this is the wrong container. How come it fits perfectly on there? Oh God, that's the soy sauce. Ow! This is not good. It's getting everywhere. Oh my God. Ow, 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 ow. What do I... That did not happen the way I was supposed to. I don't... What is that? Oh God, stop. It's my fault, stop. Oh God. Fan. Everything's fine here. How are you?